Hi everyone, so welcome back. I have already cast on. I have a needle formation of 3 by 3, so 3 pushed out, 3 in the non-working position, and I have 9 needles altogether. So first of all, I'm going to knit 2 rows. I'm going to push the needles out each time. So now I have my carriage set to hold, and I have the middle 3 and the left 3 needles pushed fully out. I'm now knitting 4 rows. I'm then going to push the middle 3 into D, move the carriage across, knit the middle 3 and then push the right 3 into the non-working position. Every time I knit to the right, I wrap the yarn around the third needles. This is what's creating a kind of like a web effect. I don't know what to call it. We're going to do this for 3 times. And once you have completed your 3, we move over to the next 3 needles and we'll push the middle 3 into the non-working position, and then we start wrapping the yarn around the first and the third needles in the middle. We do this 3 times, and then we end on the left, we can now knit 3 rows with the carriage set to knit, and then here we can start the process again and do the repeat. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.